Hey guys, let me show you how you can create one-time calls with Workee with our new recently updated flow. So click on Add Product here on your website, click on one-time call, and as you can see, we bringing to you different templates. You can either create a blank call or just select ready to use template. For example, let's do coaching session. Click on coaching session. There is some already description for you, time slot name, time slot description. You can customize, add many more details here. You can select time slot duration 60 minutes and price, which is $100, and select if this time slot is public or private. If it is public, it will be shown on your Workee website. If it is private, it will be not shown on your Workee website. It will be accessible only through link. Let's do public for this. Click create and good. Our time slot has been created. Right now you can customize your booking page. For example, every time when your customer going to book you for the meeting, you can ask additional questions. Maybe ask your client to describe some background, some reason for the call, maybe some goals for the call. You can add optional required question for your booking page. Once added, finish and close, and your meeting has been successfully added.